This video may contain scenes not appropriate for all of ages. Parental guidance is advised. In some part of the video, I may speak Bisaya, my dialect, Tagalog, the national language, and English, which is the international language. This is to accommodate the vast majority of the audience around the globe. Char!
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about two products that I've used for quite some time for my acne scars and compare which one worked best for me. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that tiny little bell so that you will be notified whenever I've uploaded a new video. So, the two products I am talking about are the Derma Roller and Derma Pen. These products are specifically made to help any scars. They are handheld roller devices with micro needles. The needles range in length from 0.25 millimeter to 1.5 meters. For a Derma Roller, you roll the device over, the skin to create tiny punctures which triggered skin repair, leading to the new creation of new collagen. It goes the same with the Derma Pen, but with Derma Pen it creates thousands of punctures and it's electronic, so you don't have to press it hard on your face, unlike Derma Roller that you have to control the level when you are rolling it on your face. I first used Derma Roller was around between year 2011 to 2013. Not the time of span that I used the product, but it's just around the year when I used it. Then I switched to Derma Pen. The reason why I switched to Derma Pen because of this. So it's kind of obvious what could work really well for you if you see this. So that time when I bought it, it was really expensive. Oh my gosh. But I gambled because I was so desperate that time because my acne scars was so horrible that even one of my cousin told me that there's no chance, no hope that it'll go better unless I go to a derma clinic, pay a lot of money and proceed with a treatment. I was so glad that I bought it because I don't know if all those products like the cream, treatment oil and other stuff that I put on my face would work without the assist of Derma Pen. It helped and boosted those acne cream products to perform well on my face. In my other videos, I said it in there that some of the products worked a little bit on my face. It's all because of this product. The reason why is that my facial scars are old, and if you can see it on camera, they are kind of obvious, right? See? And I know it won't be easy to get a magic treatment result by just using those facial cream or acne scar cream alone, but with the assist of the Derma Pen, I can tell and testify that even if it's really slow, I know it is sure. It is.
Kayo na lang kumausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo ang English niyan! Sasapakin ko yan!
I'm sure that it has effect on, my skin. I'd like to, add up as well. I used a Derma Pen to grow my facial
Oh, ang gulo na naman! Ang gulo magsalita eh!
grow my facial hair. And it worked better like... Promise, it really worked well because I used a Derma Pen before I put on the minoxidil on my face, so it really worked well. So my final thoughts, this is just my own experience, so for me, no doubt I'll go for Derma Pen because for Derma Pen you will use disposable needles and you can adjust the level of needles based on how you want it goes, and once it's set, no matter how hard no matter how hard you pressed it on your skin, it only penetrates based on the level of the needles you've set it in. There are some people who would still prefer Derma roller, and it's kind of more budget friendly than the Derma pen. I bought Derma pen out of desperation, yeah, but I've never regretted because it's been a couple of years now, and hey, guess what? It's, you know, still alive. And I know that it kind of looked ugly now because I don't know what happened, but it's still performing well since I first used it. It's still the same. Lastly, I almost forgot some reason why I switched to Derma pen, because after a couple of usage with Derma roller, the needles started to rust. Yeah, it's ugly. So it only means that I have to dispose the whole thing and buy a new one. So I'm like, nah, forget about it. Also, I noticed some of the needles are bended horribly in different direction. I was like, my face did this? Really? And like, I have a Carabao skin. Anyway, I've given you guys my thoughts about these products, and I hope you like what you've heard from me. It's all just based on my experience. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, leave a like and share it with your friends who's planning to buy, a Derma roller. You might save them. Just kidding. Also, say something in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, whether it's a suggestion or violent reaction. Bring that up. Again, thank you guys. Again, thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you guys. This is your friendly YouTuber, boy Messiah.